Road to Recovery continues tonight with a community input meeting on new designs for rebuilding. They want to hear from you. News 4's Ryan Breslin is live on 2nd Avenue, and he has more on the next step in the process for actually getting the neighborhood back to normal. What are we talking about here, Ryan?
Hey, good morning to you, Holly. Yeah, there's a lot of signs of revitalization here on 2nd Avenue North, mostly from Commerce Street down to Broadway. That's where there's the brand new windows up. A lot of the businesses have reopened, but here on Church Street and 2nd, you can see that plywood is still up over the windows and crumbled brick is still on the ground here. And it looks like it did the day after the bomb went off. But however, there are still things happening now to move things forward. Just last week, the Historic Zoning Commission approved some reconstruction recommendations for 2 buildings. That involves total demolition of one of them and selective demolition and reconstruction of another. That was approved with a plan in mind and drawing of what the street may look like with a new pedestrian connector between 2nd Avenue and 1st Avenue. The architect saying this project focuses on 3 things: stabilization of the buildings, reusing salvage materials like bricks and cast iron columns, and revitalization of the area. With the first approval from the Historic Zoning Commission, plans are now being drawn up with the help of engineers.
To build the building, we have to have the design approved. So the materials that are used, the rhythm of the openings, the scale of the openings, the proportion of all the pieces, all of that has to fit within the historic preservation guidelines.
Now, the public will be able to weigh in on some of those designs tonight in a virtual Zoom meeting. I'm going to tweet out that link right now. You can find that on my Twitter if you want to find the link to sign up for that Zoom meeting. Holly?
Yeah, but I know there's lots of interest in all this. All right, Ryan, with the latest. We're at 6:09 for you.